Understanding laundry schedule in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in everyday life: laundry schedule. Understanding such phrases is crucial for effective communication, especially in a domestic or shared living context. So, let's dive in. Laundry schedule is a compound noun, combining the words laundry and schedule. Let's look at each component. Laundry refers to clothes, linens, and other textiles that need to be washed. Schedule, a plan that lists times at which certain events are intended to occur. Together, a laundry schedule is a planned timeline or routine for washing laundry. This is especially common in shared living spaces like dormitories, apartments, or family homes. Why have a laundry schedule? It's all about organization and courtesy. In shared spaces, prevents conflicts. It ensures everyone gets a fair chance to use laundry facilities. Efficiency helps in planning your day, knowing exactly when you can do your laundry. Respect for others shows consideration for the time and needs of others you're sharing space with. Let's see how this phrase is used. In a dormitory, the laundry schedule is posted in the laundry room. Make sure to check it before you plan to do your laundry. In a household, we've set up a laundry schedule so that everyone knows whose turn it is to use the washing machine. Understanding the term laundry schedule is not just about language, but also about adapting to shared living environments. It's a great example of practical English in use. We hope this video helps you in your language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.